National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northeastern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, northern Branch County in southwestern Michigan, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Colon, or 13 miles north of Sturgis, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Union City around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lenettes, Podunk, Sherwood, South Butler, Girard, and Mendon. This includes Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 16 and 21. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.